Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's obsidian black metallic. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you full LED headlamps and tail lamps, active curve illumination, adaptive high beam assist. Also includes the accessory package, which is going to give you chrome door handle inserts and chrome accents. Appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, sailor brown leather interior, panorama sunroof, 3-way climate control for the front, center, and third row, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, trailer hitch. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, black piano lacquer trim, memory seats, power windows, wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS 450 has 26,592 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.